good afternoon to all of you. So actually this is the topic Matheuristic. Basically this is combining the concept of mathematical programming and Metaheuristic. This report is actually submitted as part of assignment, and in this we explore the possibility of combination of mathematical programming with Metahuristic. So in this study we found that there are some Metaheuristic algorithms that can be merged with, that can be combined with uh, mathematical programming or some other techniques, so that we can come across the difficulties whatever we are facing in algorithms. So in this basically in part of introduction, first part says about Metaheuristic algorithms. That is, these algorithms are actually general purpose algorithms which are used in optimization problems, and these algorithms actually find the near optimal solution instead of finding exact optimal solutions. The very well known Metaheuristic algorithms are like genetic algorithms, simulated annealing, and one more is particle swarm optimization. There are so many others too. So these techniques are particularly useful for large non-linear and combinatorial problems where classical optimization techniques face struggle. To overcome that struggle, these are the power tools. These are flexible. These are available. These are able to explore the vast solution space. While in case of direct mathematical problems, if solution space increases, in that case difficulty of solving increases, and even computation is becomes infeasible in some cases. So on the other hand, mathematical programming techniques like linear programming, integer programming, non-linear programming, and these offers exact solutions, but often struggle with large scale problems or problems that involve complex constants. So metaheuristic combines the problem of a specific structure of mathematical programming. The hybridization of these two methods allows the both best thing of both the methods. Metaheuristic provides global search capability, while mathematical programming gives it ensures the solution which are optimal solutions, locally optimal. So combining the two can improve the both the solution quality and the computational efficiency. Now, these are few combinations which are possible, like mathematical programming can be embedded in Matheuristics. Matheuristic embedded can be mathematical programming, and there is cooperative approach. So these three approaches are being used. Here actually we picked an example. Actually I was doing an assignment in AI, that was Parkinson disease biomarker discovery. So among the given topic, I found that genetic algorithm can be mixed with a support vector machine. We can apply some hybrid approach of genetic algorithm with support vector machine. So I tried the same algorithm structure with the data which I have used in assignment of AI. So we found very interesting this topic. So I made this custom hybrid algorithm for that. This algorithm actually is having the steps. In first step, we initialize the population of binary vectors where each individual represents a potential feature subset. Each gene is in dataset corresponds to bit in binary vector, where 1 means gene is included and 0 means gene is excluded. And second step is evaluation. For evaluation we use SVM classifier. So this is the hybrid step. So for each individual in the population, we use selected genes to train SVM classifier, and classification accuracy is computed using 5-fold cross validation to evaluate the performance of feature set. And this performance measure of this SVM, that we use as fitness value. And third is selection. Based on SVM performance, individuals are ranked and selected. So rank based selection is followed here. The best individuals which show the highest classification accuracy are chosen for reproductions. This is the mechanism, this is the protocol of whole algorithm. And then we use crossover mutation. Finally algorithm terminates. So for this I have made a Python script. In that case we allow this script to run up to 50 iterations. And a very interesting result we found that nearly 22,000 genes are given there in the database. After applying this, we have reduced the genes from 22,000 to 9,980 genes. So this is a huge number. Nearly 50% we reduced the gene subset. So although this was just testing example, but I think if we apply this with some other techniques, so we can reduce these features to very significant number. Like we can combine these this our hybrid algorithm with the DSEC algorithms. So before applying this algorithm, we can reduce the number of features based on the DSEC, and that reduces the features nearly to 1200. And in 1200 if we apply, I think we will get nearly 500 or 400 genes, which can be very helpful to deciding the biomarkers for particular disease. So this is my own work which I integrated here. So this was the data we generated. These are the evaluation values generated in that, and this is the classification report which I found nearly 100% it returned. So very good result was found. So these are the benefits. The hybrid approach offer a balance between the solution quality and computational effort. This is a trade-off between both. It can handle complex constants and real-world requirement more robustly than traditional methods. Metaheuristic, when meets with mathematical programming, says Matheuristic. These are flexible and can be applied a variety of optimization problems. So challenges are there. Combination of both matter introduces additional complexity in design of implementation. So implementation becomes a little bit difficult, although complexity also increases. Parameter setting for the both Metaheuristic and mathematical programming solver can be challenging. So here tuning a parameter, that is again increases. We have to here increase both the mathematical methods and other heuristic methods. What we have to tune here. And third one is integration of two methods requires careful coordination to ensure optimal performance. Conclusion, finally, Metaheuristic offers a very powerful approach to solve complex real-world optimization problem by combining the global search capability of Matheuristic with local exactness of mathematical programming. Matheuristic provides flexible and efficient solution to problems that are difficult to solve using traditional method alone. This hybrid algorithm, this hybrid mechanism is ideal for the problems where exact methods are computationally expensive and Metaheuristic alone are not sufficient for problems. So this combination, this hybrid teacher may play a good role in that case. These are few references. In first I have used my own paper which I submitted for assignment, and I have submitted this paper in conference too. And these are the some resources from soft copy available through internet. So first one was the Matheuristics. This was the book, and this is again hybrid Matheuristic. This is again a book, and few book I have downloaded and read and found very interesting in this case. Thank you. Thanks a lot.